Okay, take two. We're in Marina. These were what the plants look like. Oops. That's the flag. Each park has a flag. This one is the Canada flag, Quebec, and Shawinigan. And the trash cans. See, like it's very clean, no pollution everywhere, no plastics, no trash. You know, like it's a very clean park.
There's only clean water and it's cold. What I mean?
Yeah, it's cold. We forgot our box of Doritos. Every time. Oh, I think this is it. It's a restroom basically. You hold it. You wanna take the vlog?
Okay. Supposed to.
Hey, let's drink.
Wait.
I think we can drink all this. It's ready.
Oh, pero patagalin mo. Kasi mainit.
Wala, ihilang ako.
Tapos?
Oh, yeah. Push. Push mo. No, hindi naman ganun cold. Push mo. Hindi, malamig yan. Oo, malamig. Go. Sige na, wawa.
Uy, ang dami naman yung video boy.
Sige pa, inom ka pa.
Kasi
Nasinghot niya ate.
Sige. Go sa go.
Malamig siya. Oo, CR. Sige, mag-CR ka. Maglinis ng CR dyan, Ben. Shawinigan. Baboy! Hello, baboy!